What's up guys, Casey back with another video, and today, you guys already know, by now Supreme Week 2 has already happened, but all of these orders are from Week 1. I did spend around $1,500. I'm waiting for another package, so at the end, I hope they didn't cancel any of my orders, but with all the addition that I did, it equated about $1,500 if I am correct. If not, I will change the title and I will put the correct number on the screen. This is probably gonna be a two-part video because I did get this and I am still waiting for another one. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already. But we have quite a bit of stuff here. Sadly, the other package didn't come, so I'm gonna have to make this a part 2 like I said. But yeah, let's get straight into this because all this stuff is heat. And a majority of this stuff I am going to be selling. I'm probably only going to keep 2 of the items here because I do want to resell everything else to make my money back. So I do want to make it into a raffle style. I want everybody to have a chance at winning it. So just make sure to follow my new Instagram account right here. That is solely going to be for reselling stuff and just all the stuff that I buy and resell just so you guys can win it, and because I love giving back to you guys. So yeah, let's get straight into this because I'm super excited and I've been waiting a long time for this. So the first item we're going to get into right here is a deck. I was really successful on week 1, surprisingly, because week 1 is always the most hectic week because everybody, it's week 1, they release a bunch of stuff week 1, so a bunch of people are gonna try to go for stuff. So we're gonna pull out the little blade right here, cut it straight through this evidence tape, cut the rest off. Make sure I don't cut myself, set that to the side. And oof, we have, oh wait, wrong one. I already saw it, but we have the cherry. Do we have any stickers? Oh, let's go. All right, hold on. Woo, that's it. All right, we got a Supreme poncho right here. Stop following my face, but focus on that. All right, but we have the cherry skateboard right here. I have a bunch of skateboards that I still need to put up on the wall, so of course I'm not going to be keeping this one. I wish I could, but like I said, I am going to be reselling and raffling all this stuff off to you guys. So yeah, we have this deck right here. It is absolutely insane. This just looks crazy. If I did cop 2 of these, I would have kept one for my personal, but unfortunately I did not. Just look at that, the girl putting the cherry in her mouth right there. Absolutely insane of a deck. Right there, gonna put that to the side. We have another deck right here. I did black out all my the tracking and my address because I don't want any of you guys to know where I live. There, a little blade to get it straight through. Woo. All right, the next deck we have is the distorted deck right here, and again we have another Supreme poncho. I give this out free to probably one of my subscribers, so make sure if you guys want this, make sure to subscribe, comment, leave a like, and follow me on my personal Instagram and on my resale page just to win this. I'm probably gonna give all these away except for one just because I want to keep one for my personal, so yeah, make sure to do all that stuff. But right here we have this distorted Supreme deck right here. This is one of 2. Unfortunately, I didn't get the second one. I did want both. I wish I would have got 2 pairs of these so I could keep, like I said, one for my personal and the other one to resell, but unfortunately I didn't. I was only able to cop this one, but either way, this is absolutely insane. Just look at that. The thing looks ridiculous. Like the name says, it is distorted as hell, so I'm a really big fan of these decks. I have another skateboard right here. I did use to skateboard back in my middle school days. I wasn't really that good. I was probably really terrible, but I still did it, so I ain't no poser, And the next deck, and the last one we have, but certainly not the least at all, is the bling skateboard right here. And again, another poncho to give to one of you guys for free. Yeah, so this one right here is I don't know if I'm holding it the right way. I think it's this way, yeah. You have a bunch of jewelry right there on top of $100 bills. Well, $20 bills right there. Yeah, that looks absolutely insane. This is probably my least favorite one. I love all these decks, but this is probably my least favorite one. My favorite one is probably the distorted, then the cherry one. This would come in third, but like by a hair. But yeah, this looks absolutely insane. And of course, I am gonna be doing B-roll of all this stuff at the end, so make sure to look out for that. And that's the last deck for today. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do is, let's do this bag right here. You know, why not? We don't need the blade for this one because it's an easy tear. Like you guys saw, you know, these guns out here and shit. But first thing we have, what is this? Why is there a package inside a package? Ooh, what is this? Alright, well, I don't know what this is, so let's see what it is. We needed, well, we barely cut a hole through this thing, but alright. It's a big package inside of, what is this? Hey, why is it like this? Okay, that was completely, I feel like it was unnecessary as shit. Look at all this paper wasted for this little glow-in-the-dark Zippo right here. Let's open this up because why the hell not? We're unboxing all this stuff and I'm giving a bunch of this stuff away. I don't think I'm gonna give this one away. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, look at that right there. This glows in the dark. I don't have a light for it, like a black light for it, so I can't do it. But this is one of like my favorite Zippos. I have a golden Zippo up there. Oh, you guys can't see it out of frame, but I probably will be keeping this one. I'm not sure yet. Just depends how. I don't do anything with it. It's just a bunch of accessories that I keep, so I'm still indifferent of what I want to do with it. So yeah, that's one Zippo right there. Then we have the Supreme stickers right here. I always keep these. Keep a bunch of stickers. Let's open it up. Why not? Well, let's get to the end of that. The end of the video. Another poncho to give out. And let's see. Alright. And then we have is there anything in this bag? Anything left? Anybody in here? Nope. Alright, so we have this Supreme blue camo. I think this is a duffel bag. This is a duffel bag, right? Yep, the duffel bag right here. Absolutely insane. Ridiculous. I have no personal use for this, so this is an item I am going to be raffling off too. So yeah, this is, but the colorway for this is absolutely insane. This is probably, and it is see-through, so this color was my favorite one other than the red one. So yeah, this is absolutely insane. I think I'm going to just keep it in the bag because I want to have a DS for you guys. So yeah. Last but not least is this big ol' box right here. I don't know what's in here. A majority of the stuff I forgot what I ordered because I was in such a rush. The website was absolutely incredibly terrible. For Supreme to be such a big brand is absolutely insane to have a website that terrible. Let's get, oh my god, come on now. I don't want to poke into any of the items, but woo, all right. Oh, let's go. We got a bunch of stuff in here. All right. First off, Supreme stickers, as always. Another poncho for one of you guys. We have the Supreme blue backpack right here as well that I'm going to be giving away to you guys because I don't keep any of this stuff. So, yeah, right here, just absolutely insane. My favorite colorway of the bags. Right there, we have two blue camo ones, and last but certainly not least is this Supreme water bottle. I was super successful getting this. My girlfriend did cop a black one. I copped a red one, so we might end up switching. And this is gonna be a personal for me. So let's see, because I do drink a bunch of water, like you guys should. You guys should drink a lot of water every day. But let's see if we could get. Why you can't take this off? What the hell? Supreme right there, nothing crazy. Look at that, just nothing crazy, but still so clean. You have the Supreme right there. I hope it's focusing real good on that. But yeah, you have the Supreme right there. That's really it. I saw a bunch of videos that this is like indestructible. Eric Whiteback was throwing this on the ground, freaking football chucking this thing, and it was not breaking, only the top broke. But yeah, this is a dope accessory to have. But that's really it for this video. Like I said, there's gonna be a part 2 of another one. That one's gonna be ridiculous as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I appreciate every single one of you guys. Like I said, if you wanna win any of the stuff, I am gonna be raffling majority of the stuff away. And for the ponchos, I'm gonna give those out for free to anybody that subscribes. Comments down below what was your favorite item from this video, and follow both of my Instagrams right there. So yeah, make sure to do that. I will pay for shipping, it doesn't matter to me. But before I go, let's get some B-roll, all this stuff. So let's go. So yeah, just make sure to do all that, and thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.